Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to redo my protective style. Now, I have this protective style since the 21st of January. Oh my God, this looks like a disaster, but I'm excited to see what will become of it. So you want to stay tuned. I'm going to unravel them and redo them and to see what it's like. Now, while I'm doing, I'm just going to do a few while I have a conversation with you to tell you it goes. It looks a little thin, but don't say anything as yet. Remember the last time we said it was thin, and when we were finished and unraveled, we saw it wasn't thin. My hair was something like this last year, and I begin to cut every month. I cut. So I said this time I'm going to put away the scissors like for that. I'm just going to see what it's like. So we're on a natural hair journey, and I was hoping to keep this for 3 months, but my God, guys, this is actually 4 weeks, and it is really rough to keep it longer. Based on how it's looking, it's a disaster. So I'm going to redo them, and I'm not going to do them as fine. I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist in some jumbo twists, and then I will, after 1 week or 2 weeks in the jumbo twist, then I'm going to redo them. So I'm on this ear journey or ear challenge, and I hope you're on it with me. So these are the tools I need. I need my hairpin, going back to basic, yes, and I also need my scissors. Why I need my scissors, in case there's a knot, then I can actually use the scissors to take it out. I always go in with my fingers because it's the best thing to do. Normally when I'm at the end of the hair, see if you can see, I will basically just do a twist. So when I'm ready to unravel, it becomes very easy. So I'm basically just going to, I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to give you unedited to see how long it will take me to take down this, at least 2 of them. So let us see. If it's going too long, then I'll stop it. All right, so at least 2 of them. So first things first is we started the hair challenge, and I uploaded that video and told you all the things that we're going to be doing. We're going to try to look at our diet. We're going to be exercising. Oh my God, have you seen that video, guys? You need to check it out. I came live and I exercised, and it was fun. I normally do my exercise and for half an hour to 45 minutes every weekdays. Most times on weekends I may not do it, but I was able to come live with I do exercise with this bishop. She does it online, and I just join in Mondays and Wednesdays. Sometimes based on her schedule, she's not able to do it, but we're able to do it on Wednesday, and that was fun. I'm going to link it for you. You can actually check it out. So we started the hair journey, and you can actually watch that video as to the things that we plan to do. Now, I realize several other persons are doing hair challenge too, and I'm looking at their journey too and see what I can do with mine, you know, or I can improve mine. And I hope you are following and you're also on the ear challenge with us. I washed it on January 20. So I did the protective style. This protective style that I have, I did it the 21st of January. So today is the 20th of February. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to post the video today, but that's when I'm doing this. How we did it, we did these final ones to the front, like this section to the front, and then to the back. So first of all, let us see the growth that we got. So let me show you. Hope you can see. Okay, yes. So from there to here, so that's the growth. I'm seeing there to the back. Let us see. So this is the growth from here to here at the back. In the middle, oh my God, the middle is a disaster. There we go. So we are seeing some growth so we started the journey by doing that, and then I actually started following Coily Diaries, and she said for the ear challenge that she's doing is to redo your hair at least 3-4 times for the year, every 3 months, or yeah, every 3 months. It'll be 4 months, 4 times. So I said, okay, I'm gonna join that challenge. But today's exactly 1 month, and my God, I don't think I can go any further. So I'm actually undoubling them. So when you reach to this section, really take your time. My hair is well moisturized, so that is why I don't put any additional water in, because I actually did it on Saturday and today is Tuesday. So on the 20th, I did this protective style. The weekend following that was the weekend of the 27th. I decided that I was just going to re-moisturize. I didn't do any washing or anything like that. I just re-moisturize. So when you reach to this section, guys, you want to take your time, right? Like this. And then you want to go in and take out whatever shedded hair you may have in there. So take your own time. You shouldn't be in a rush when you're doing this, right? You have to take your own time. Sometimes you can put a little moisturizer right here to loosen it, or you can put a little oil. But as I said, my hair is well moisturized right now. If there's a need to, if I feel like the need to, then I'll add. So I just re-moisturized, and I got some new products. She, Coily Diary, she also said that she recommend that you use glycerine. So what I've done, I bought a glycerine, and I showed you that as well on Amazon. And I also got myself a conditioner. I was out, so I just went and got it. Okay, so it wasn't that I went because somebody else is using it. I just got a new one because I didn't have any. And then I just re-moisturized on that day. So this is number 1. It took us about 7 minutes to take down, or 8 minutes. But the back should be easier because they are bigger. Next weekend, which was the weekend of the 3rd of February, I decided to do a protein treatment, and you can also check out that video. I used avocado, mayonnaise, eggs. I was using mayonnaise for the first time in my hair. I've never used mayonnaise in my hair before, so I was trying that for the first time. And it was okay. It felt good when I was finished. And so the other thing I did throughout that week, I think I re-moisturized once or twice. So I'm basically telling you the journey, but you can actually check out those videos because I've been linking the videos every week as to the current step and the current processes that I have been using. I also make sure this is what I've been drinking, guys. I've been drinking water. Try to drink a lot more water, at least 3 bottles, but sometimes I just do 2.5, to be honest with you. It has been a struggle, but I'm working on it. I try to have my fruits each day, nuts each day, vegetables. So I'm working on that, which will be the 10th of February. I actually went in and I did a hot oil treatment, and you can also check out that video. I'll also link it for you. Had a oil mixture already, and I just used it, and that oil mixture had fenugreek, Jamaican black castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I went in and I just did a hot oil treatment with that. Last week, which was the 17th of February, I went in and I have to take my time here now, guys. I went in and I did myself a banana mask. You might need to call me the banana girlie, famous for that. So I always love to do banana mask when I just started this journey, and it worked pretty well for me. So I'm saying, you know what, I'm going to try and go back to that. So I was able to go in and do a banana mask. Again, I'm going to link that video for you. You can check it out. Okay, so look, you see the little knot right here. Don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to show. Okay, yeah, see right here, showing this is where the growth is. Wow. So you take your time. What happened, I went in and I did the banana mask. This is the 17th of February and today is the 20th. So you know, my hair is well moisturized. It actually feels really good. What I loved is that my hair feels really soft and nice, and that's a good thing. You don't feel coarse, so I really appreciated that. Something good's gonna happen in this year. I declare it that I made it here. Yeah, I tell you, I am declaring it. Whatever you want, speak it into being. Yeah. So I'm just going to twist now, and then I'm going to keep the twist for maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So I'm basically using the same area, so I'm just going to make them big. So I'm going to do 3 sections. So these 3, I'm going to do them into a twist. During the process, as I said, I try to look at my diet. I know I can improve more on that, and that is something that, you know, if there's a problem on the inside, then you're going to have problem with your hair. Okay. And I bought myself a bonnet. Even though I had bonnets before, I decided I was going to do bonnets. So I got 2 of these, and I did show you guys in a Amazon package that I got. I make sure to cover when I'm home during the days, and I also cover when I'm going to bed. But overall, that has been the journey so far for me. LaBelle's Lifestyle. She's also doing a hair challenge, so you can actually go over and check her out. In Jamaica, you can check out LaBelle. She does Jamaican black castor oil, so you can check her out, support her business, and follow the hair journey. The other day, I saw her do a treatment where you use hibiscus, and I was like, seriously? I didn't know you could use hibiscus. Said you could use it as a hairspray. Her daughter has beautiful long hair, and now she says she's concentrating on her hair to grow. Coily Diaries, I've seen some videos of her when her hair was very short, and now she actually had waist length, but her latest video, she said that she don't have waist length anymore. She had a little setback. So I have not watched the entire video as yet, but you can actually check it out. But that's the update. So I'm just going to finish this little one because it's taking me a little time to do. Then I'll just show you how I'm going to twist it up. Done with this section. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into a jumbo braid, a jumbo twist rather. But I normally try to braid the first part because I'm not very good at twisting. So I'll do this and twist it. So I'm going to twist. So I'm finally done. So this is actually February 21st. I finished unravel the mini twist, the mini and medium twist, and I've put them in these jumbo braids. I'm going to keep these in for about a week. Then I'm going to do a protein treatment, and then I'm going to redo the braids. Taking down process, I actually saw, sorry I didn't save the hair to show you. I'm a little concerned, you know, I'm going to keep it real. I'm a little concerned about the health of the hair, and so it's still a work in progress, but I'll definitely keep you in touch. I hope you're enjoying the hair journey just as I'm enjoying it, and I'm really thankful that you decided to start. I always tell you, start where you are and use what you have. And if you're this far in the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And the next journey, we're going to do at least 6 weeks. So we did this one for 4 weeks, and the next one we want to go at least 6 weeks or more. Let us see where it takes us. And of course, you know, I'm not going to leave the ear out, so I'm just going to catch it in one like this. And if I need to get a different style, I can make it in a nice cute style or make a twist out. I don't know. But that's it for now. Tell me how far you are in your hair journey, what you have been doing. And I see you in the next update. Bye.